Is there any Luciana fans out there in the... Alright? Check again, you know. Is there anybody here? Year after year, no matter how many times you see this gentleman, you can never get enough of him. Is there any Barris fans out there tonight? I wonder if somebody there. Wait for our international superstar. Last night we saw, Lauren Hill. Is there any babyface fans out there? Make some noise! Montego Bay, it will be unveiled on this stage here tonight. I want to big up Grace Kennedy. I remember the Grace Kitchen now, people. Check out the kitchen. Because I know Grace always a cook on my storm. Well, ladies and gentlemen,
You are here, moving in our midst. We worship you. We worship you. You are here, working in this place. We worship you. We worship. with me. You are here. Oh, oh na na na. We worship. You are here. We worship you. We worship. You are waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. Oh, you are miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. You are here, working in our midst. We worship you. We worship you. Moving in this place. We worship you. We Now I want to know your name. Can we talk? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk? Can we talk? Can we talk? Oh, na, na, na. Girl, now to know you. Let me give you some love and affection. You got my attention. You need no correction. Let your pour blessings in your direction. You got my attention. What an impression. Hold on. Hold on. Mabia! I'm feeling good. You're feeling good? I know I'm pressed for time, but let me say something before I go into this next song.
Yeah.
I remember coming to Sumfest about 8 years ago. And at that time I came with me, myself, yes. Mommy Claudette, although she hiding in the crowd. I come with Auntie Margaret and Uncle Jackila. And I remember sitting out there on the beach chairs. And now, you see this next song, Sumfest, I wrote this one for Mommy Claudette. Sumfest, listen. Soon and very soon you won't be working. Soon and very soon I'll set you free. Your son will relieve you of your burdens. You deserve a life of luxury and so much more. Ever since the day you brought me into this world, you've struggled, you've gone the extra mile to make sure I was always alright. I've never hungered, never thirsty, never wanted for a dime. See, I am the man I am today, 'cause of the sacrifices you made. Oh, mommy, all that I can say is that I'm grateful, that I love you more than words can convey. You never left me or forsake me, 'cause you saw me as your own, your firstborn, your baby. Oh, mommy, all that I can say is that I'm grateful, that I love you more than words can explain. Yes, my superwoman. Yes, my superwoman. Yes, my superwoman. And very soon you won't be working. Soon and very soon I'll set you free. Yeah. Your son will relieve you of your burden, 'cause you deserve a life of, oh, a life of. Come again, come again. Soon and very soon you won't be working. Yeah. Soon and very soon I'll set you free. Your son will relieve you of your burden, 'cause you deserve a life of love. Oh, nah. Oh, da, da. Oh, Lord. What you do to me? What you do to me, woman? What you do to me? Got me doing things I never do. You're done for me. What you do to me? Sumfest. Watch out. Take it off him. Usually stay to myself. I touch next got to hell. Being alone will forever. But you put me under spell. Was not stop melt. That's my changing behavior. The girl me met text them a call and I text I said how much me treat them a strangers. Here I am blowing up your phone trying to get your attention. Why? They say karma is a beach. I know what goes around. I'm around. When I get some karma, baby, and if you alone, it's like a flip a tweet. Girl, you are wrong. I do me wrong. Positive, you're my karma. I try but and leave you alone even when I want to. I can't run away from you. I can't burn up again. Girl, you got me slow. Even when I want to, I can't turn away from you. I can't burn up again. Girl, you got me stuck. Look, what's it like? Stuck like a city with ketchup can't. Every single interaction with them in my life. Look for me and you so up can't give. No me I pay the penalty like anybody. To be honest, I'm not a fan of a never need a pre-marriage for working up my life. See a future with you forever. Think it would be a scene in my favorite pocket. Oh, how the tables have turned. Remember when me used to say I never fall. Now me can't roll one day without seeing you say my name. There's a karma is a beat. I don't want to go around, must come back around. When I get to my karma, baby, but can't leave you alone. It's like a party, girl like you are wrong with I to be wrong. Positive, you're my karma. I try, but I can't leave you alone. Even when I want to, I can't turn away from you. I try, but I can't move. Girl, you got me slow. Even when I alright. Mobile. Let me slowly start rough up the place. Make we do it like this. Yeah, watch it. She knows I'm a lover, not a fighter. That's why every night she come up at my heart. Cause she needs her love. No, you see customer. Cause every time you a beat her up, leave her no make she feel like love. She know what I'm at, feel me treat her so. Leave her, make she come to me. I am what she needs right now. I'm watching her drive. Yeah, she might have to rough down my feelings in every evening. If I feel her of your ecstasy, might have to rough down my feelings in every evening. If I feel of your ecstasy, make me sing ooh la la la. Feel my man, tell me that and the funny ball. Make me give her the sweet sweet. So what's up in me, but make she squirt my wriggle like a bird, she bend up like. That's what she cheat, when you can't no go church like. She come to me, to learn her fantasies, I am watching it. She knows I'm a lover, not a fighter. That's why every night she come over to my heart. Cause she need her love, oh, you think I come up. Cause every time you might beat her up, leave her, don't make she breathe like fuck. She don't wanna want me treat her so. Leave her, it makes she come to me. I am what she did right. I'ma show you her style, Sumfest, watch out. You make me to live in what to word in your love. You to feel it, no more time to feel. Fight with him, make him fight for you like Tyson. You're too nice to him, what love him belly just like this gun poison me to a place. Breaking news, man I give him better because I go too hard. Breaking news, girl I love this good. Breaking news, man I give him better because I love too hard. We can do something like this. Nobody nothing who wants to me and you want touch. Nobody nothing who wants to you a baby. Nobody nothing who wants to you come up on me. Me, you know me love you. Nobody nothing who wants to me and you want touch. Nobody nothing knows that you are giving. Nobody nothing knows that you come up on me. She knows I'm a lover, not a fighter. That's why every night she come over to my heart. Cause she need her love, oh. You think I'm so wrong. Cause every time you want me to rock, leave her, don't make she free. Cause she know I want to be sweet, leave her. Leave her. Alright. And now, Mabia, it begins. Watch us. She said lately, all that she's been hearing was such a music playing everywhere. Watch out. But it's a game out. Me and what she have played now. Come and give her some forever. Where she can wind up her waist. Listen, baby, it's a pleasure to be your entertainer. So shake what your mama gave. Very cool, none of it. Sumfest is fine. Okay, things are long time. My baby, see it, don't go so allow. Listen me now, man. She said lately, all that she's been hearing was such a music playing everywhere she go. But it's a game out. Me and what she have played now. Come and give her some forever. Where she can wind up her waist. Baby, it's a pleasure to be your entertainer. So shake what your mama gave you. I could not jump. It's fine. Okay, it's kind of bad. But no, it's very good. One, okay, come in the yourself, girl. Show me some energy. Don't be afraid, girl. Come put it on. Put it down, put it down, put it down. Make it clap. Put it down, put it down, put it down. Let it turn it around and around and around. I just want it. Yeah, go crazy. I'm just let the music get me up again. Sumfest. As a flank come, you know me a parade already. Fully careless. What a style, yeah. From the first year, and me buckle up here. And I said she love me, then I like a hot here. She said, darling, me a beg you just here. Give me one more night without till the sun rays again. Sorry, dear, let me know you're frustrated. But that girl a call me, see you pin up here. Like the demon in a garage without here. Then you see explode like a volcano. And the God, yeah, say what there is more. Like a nomad. Watch out. Look. Chantel, she got a rough day. Come on, feeling hard, don't have a fear. Deal with the rough like a man with rough grip. And this is but she never complain. Tell it to warm and don't want to fight to that wake up and she wants some. Boyfriend like him, she want but it been a while since she thought she up run away. You see you not when me a come back from the south side. Cause she need more time. But she have to bear it. What? Continenta, no. I think God can answer all tool like a number. Let's do me say you're not a baby by day. Oh, but I'm not gonna run off from here. And I gotta come a day. Push me in the camp. I'm the first day. I'm a buck of rough state. I'm just like a cook. And she said, don't leave. Me, I beg you just stay. Give me one more night with you till the sun rays drop. Sorry, baby, me know you're frustrated. But when I dug you look all me see you pin up here. Slide the beaver in and go rattle without breath. Press your until she explode like a ball again. I think God can stay one I can't understand why some man so full. Push on and boy, I need Cali's class. Actually, never mind. Let them slip and slide. Leave them burn and I tell me so I can. Mabia, go so. Now you can. Bang. Please, I see now. For the life of me, I can't understand why some man so foolish. Rush on, go and need Cali's class. Actually, never mind. Let them slip and slide. Leave them burn and I tell me so I can't hold it. Like an enemy, watch your style. Lisa, Gina, Susan, Tisha, Serena, 22 others. All me phone me, not the two other bells. I beg you come up to my room now. Put in a room to talk. Even a yard, they make them moves a lot. So they will lick me, the early road, and I'll be them. What? And at that time we are go around the Lord. Sing the Lord, around the Lord. Pass, around the bar. She like and walks, let me bar. Just come around the Lord. Hold, with a piece around the Lord. Pass, that you know be upset that when you overrule our objection. And it's like when me bring her to the talk and she and Papi she and my question. Some and talk wine like she a good girl, but you know what the amount of manifestation. She said when she go baby, come Bobby and jump. They go easy, sing, come around the Lord. Hold, she's around the Lord. Pass, slow, come on the bar. That she like run, come here, Susanna, oh Lord, what are you doing? What are you doing? You want to kill him as a boss? Hold on, Solomon and David are ladies by the dozen steps. I can't dive in. Hey, tell me why you're Sumfest, why me for your one? I'll be a sign for me. here, son. Wait. I be creator. Tell me why you. Maybe you want to feel one. Everybody sing. Continenta gonna test it. I'm eating that forever rest it. Loosen and me never dead. The EMP for you in target me next. Do I let me don't relentless rotation of this event. When I crime is selfless, Bobby, say, girl, if you then you can have it. Serving is caring, so you got to change. So you like that chocolate, free of cost. Serving is caring, so you got to change. Look, please, Murphy, a girl, them are my favorite. Somebody way you're the direct. South American girls have a nice dance coming like a earthquake. Tactic and girls that I score, but them man touch the head with some other places. And the alien girls, them are but the European girls try to go. Asian girls, them kind of face. But the personalities like the face. North American girls can't pay me if me no care. Put them in down, me like a baby. But one girl can't contain me. West, not need in and waiting. Me and I know them very Sumfest, sing the part. I know, girl, if you want me, then you can. Sharing is caring, so you got to say, oh, say you like that chocolate. No, I'm free of God, yeah. Sharing is caring, so you got to say, oh, come again to me. Continenta, give a hug. See that love forever, right? Oh, lose and me never there. Yeah. Sharing is caring, so you got to sing again to me. Girl, if you want me, here I am, then you can have me. Sharing is caring, so you got to share me. Say you like that chocolate. I'm free of cost. Sharing is caring, so you got to share me. Yeah, Mommy, love Monica forever. Allow
Montego Bay! Montego Bay, make some noise for Nigy Boy! Level. Montego Bay. The city of Montego Bay, citation to Nigel Hector Nigy Boy. Blindness is an unfortunate handicap, but true vision does not require the eyes. Double, the miracle boy, Nigel Hector, affectionately called Nigy Boy, a native of St. James, is a living example of someone rising like a phoenix. In 2002, the mother of this effervescent gentleman was given the dawning diagnosis by the doctors that her soon-to-be-born son would not survive outside of the womb. Just look at him now. Nigy Boy has not only survived, but has been making waves on the local and international entertainment scene as a brilliant scholar and a thought-provoking singer with witty and daring lyrics. Nigy Boy, who has been described as the Jamaican Stevie Wonder, has been heating up social media as members of the public respond to his original tracks Continent, Judgment, Nobad, Karma, and Get Wild. His success so far and the establishment of a bright future in the entertainment world, coupled with his brilliance in the academic field, are victorious for members of the visually impaired and disabled communities. Born in Flanker, an inner city community here in Montego Bay, Nigel Hector Nigy Boy continues to make his community, the city of Montego Bay and Jamaica, extremely proud and has been playing a great role in bringing positive attention to our great country, Jamaica. Montego Bay, Sumfest City is proud of Nigy Boy, and his performance on the 2024 staging of Reggae Sumfest is a part of his mission to become the next great Jamaican entertainer of his generation. Today, Saturday, July 20th, 2024, the St. James Municipal Corporation recognizes Nigy, Hector Nigy Boy, and presents him with this 2024 Silver Montego Bay Sumfest City Award in recognition of his outstanding achievement in the field of entertainment. We now present to you Mr. Russell and the Mayor of Montego Bay. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are proud of your native and if you're from Montego Bay, give Nigy Boy a standing and a big round of applause for his achievement. Come on, Jamaica, stand. Not many people with this impaired vision can pull off this and make history out of his craft. We salute you, we congratulate you. Continue to do what you're doing, Nigy. And of course, what do you want to say to your fellow Montegonians?
Before I say any words, let me say something like this. Let me do it like this. Clear, I'm a throat too, you know. Mobia go so Father! That is it, man. I know it already. I just want to say it was a privilege being here, and I liked how everything came full circle. That my first ever performance was in the place I came from, Montego Bay. I appreciate all of you for coming out. Love is real. One heart. Love you always and forever. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nigy Boy. Thank you, Mayor Vernon, the Mayor of Montego Bay, and of course, joined by the CEO of Downtown Entertainment, Mr. Joe Bandanovich, and of course, all right. So ladies and gentlemen, there will be a quick band change to accommodate the next artist. Thank you so much, Mr. Vernon. And thank you so much, Mr.